Good morning, students. Welcome to class 11 biology class, unit 3rd, cell, the unit of life. In which today's topic is cell membrane. In some books, this is given as a separate chapters, biomembranes. The cell membrane in all type of cells, including prokaryotes and eukaryotic cells, plants and animals, protoplasm is enclosed by a thin membrane which is called plasma membrane, cell membrane or plasma lemma. It separates the cell from external environment. Cell membrane can be defined as the outermost boundary of the cytoplasm of a living cell, which control the entrance and exit of ions and molecules, and thus help in maintaining the difference in the ionic concentration of cytoplasm and the surrounding media. The cell membrane is thin and not visible by light or compound microscope. Further, it is the living component of and cannot be separated from the cell cytoplasm without causing injury and death of cell. It is flexible, dynamic and selectively permeable. Besides cell membrane, intracellular membrane system is also found in eukaryotic cells which surround the vacuoles and cell organelles. The cell membrane and intracellular membranes are collectively known as biological membrane or biomembranes, because the structure of all membranes are similar surrounding the cell and surrounding the cell organelles is similar in structures, therefore collectively known as biomembranes. Chemically, all the membranes are composed of lipoproteins, lipid and proteins. Lipid means fat, two layer of proteins, outer and inner layer of protein and middle layer of fat. In middle, bilayer fat is present. Therefore, these are also known as lipoproteinous membrane. C. Nageli and C. Kramer 1885 were the first to propose the term cell membrane. Likewise, the term plasma lemma was coined by J.Q. Plough in 1931. However, most of the modern cell biologists prefer to use the term plasma membrane. Chemical composition of plasma membrane. Chemically, biomembrane consists of lipid 20 to 40%, protein 60 to 80%, and carbohydrate 1 to 5%. Carbohydrate found in plasma membrane are not found in free form. Instead of that, they are found in bounded form with protein or lipid. Proteins, three different type of proteins. Three different kind of proteins are found in biomembranes. These are structural proteins, enzymatic proteins and carrier proteins. All the enzymes are protein, but all proteins are not enzymes. Carrier proteins which help in the transport of molecules inside and outside of the cell cytoplasm. Structural proteins form the backbone of the membrane. It is lipophilic in nature, means soluble in lipids or lipid loving. Enzymatic proteins specify the physiological function of membranes. For example, cytochrome oxidase in mitochondria. Carrier proteins help in the movement of substance across plasma membrane. Lipids found in biomembranes are mostly in the form of phospholipids, esters, for example cholesterol, glycolipids and sphingolipids. Lipid molecules are emphatic or amphipathic, that is, they possess both the polar hydrophilic and water loving and non-polar hydrophobic water repelling ends. The hydrophilic region is in the form of a head and the hydrophobic parts contain 2 tails of fatty acids. Bilayer fat and outside is protein membrane, inside is protein membranes. In middle there is bilayer of fat molecules. In this way, biomembranes or plasma membrane or cell membrane is triple layered structures. Carbohydrate found in cell membrane. It is found in liver cells and RBC contain hexose, amine and fructose. Biomembrane enzymes, in addition to basic chemicals, plasma membrane also contain approximately 30 enzymes depending on its structure and function. Some of the biomembrane enzymes are nucleotidase, magnesium bivalent ATPase, alkaline phosphatase, adenyl cyclase, acid phosphomonoesterase, RNase, sodium and potassium ion activated magnesium ATPase and etc. Sodium and potassium activated magnesium ATPase act as ion carrier through plasma membrane. In the same way, unit membrane of mitochondria is a plasma membrane which contains many enzymes to catalyze reaction related to respiration. The difference between cell wall and cell membrane. Cell wall is outermost layer or boundary of cells or plant cells, but cell membrane is outermost boundary of cell cytoplasm. Cell wall is found only in the plant cells. Cell membrane is found in all living cells. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and lignin. Cell membrane is made up of lipid and proteins. Cell wall is hard in nature. Cell membrane is thin and elastic. Cell wall is permeable, but cell membrane is selectively permeable, means it allows some selective particles to attach from it. Ultrastructure of cell membrane or ultrastructure of plasma membrane. plasma membrane could not be seen and studied by light microscopes. Detailed structure of membrane could be studied only after the discovery of electron microscope. Under electron microscope, plasma membrane appear consisting of two parallel dark lines which are separated from each other by a central clear line. In this way, the membrane seems trilaminar or tripartite like a rail track. The three layers are outer layer, inner layer and middle layer. The outer layer it is dense or dark, made up of proteins and is 20 angstrom thick. Inner layer is also made up of protein and it is also 20 angstrom thick. Middle layer it is 35 angstrom thick and present between outer and inner protein layers. Chemically, it is composed of fatty acid chain of phospholipid molecules. It is trimolecular and made up of two parallel layers of phospholipids in which the non-polar hydrophobic ends of molecules are opposite to each other and polar hydrophilic ends are directed toward protein layer of respective sides. Like this is tail toward the protein layer and head opposite to each other. Inner protein layer, outer protein layers. Neurospores are also found in the plasma membrane, diameter of which varies from 7 to 10 angstroms. These pores allow the entrance of molecules inside and outside because the hydrophobic end of fatty layers don't allow the water soluble molecules. Molecular structure of plasma membrane. Several models have been proposed to explain the molecular organization of cell membrane. All the models given by various scientists to explain the structure of plasma membrane are classified into two groups, bilayer model and micellar or subunit models. Bilayer model. According to this concept, plasma membrane is composed of two separate layers of proteins and lipids. To explain this models, many scientists given their models like the sandwich model, everybody are familiar with sandwich, in which between two breads, potato or other vegetables are filled. These two breads act as the outer and inner protein layers and the vegetable or spices filled between them act as fatty layers. Sandwich model was proposed by according to this model, biomembranes are believed to have a stable layered structures there are two protein layers, outer and inner, and two layer of lipids are present between them. Thus, plasma membranes show a laminar structures or layered structures. To explain laminar nature of plasma membrane, Daniel and Dawson have given its model. Daniel and Dawson were the first to propose its molecular structures from their physiological experiment. They proposed that cell membrane consists of three layers, a central double molecular layer of phospholipids and two protein layers on either side, sandwiching the central phospholipid layers. Sandwich model was proposed by Denley and Dawson. It was assumed that each phospholipid layer has two ends, that is hydrophilic and hydrophobic. Their head is hydrophobic in nature and tail are hydrophilic in nature. Hydrophobic in the phospholipid molecules face each other in the interior, while the hydrophilic ends face the outer protein layers. Thickness of these layers are outermost layer of protein 20° angstrom, inner layer of protein 20° angstroms, and middle layer of phospholipids 35° angstroms. The total thickness of plasma membrane is 75 angstroms. Daniel and Dawson stated that membrane proteins are found in the form of folded beta chain on either side. Unit membrane model. Also known as Robertson model. According to Robertson, he studied the cell membrane of RBC with the electron microscope and showed that the plasma membrane has three layers, and for such a trilaminar lipoprotein, protein-lipid protein, he proposed the term unit membrane. Total thickness of unit membrane is about 75 angstrom. Middle lipid layer about 35 angstrom and outer and inner protein layers about 20 angstrom each. Not only the plasma membrane but all other membrane inside the cell also represent the unit membrane structures. The membrane of endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi complex, lysosome, ribosome, plastids, nucleus, all are composed of unit membrane, means all are composed of same outer and inner protein and middle fatty layers, therefore known as unit membrane concept. That is, all membranes of the cell have a similar structure of three layers, and if there are more layers, they are multiple of the unit membrane. Penetrated protein model. According to this model, plasma membrane contains two types of proteins, extrinsic protein and intrinsic proteins. Extrinsic and intrinsic proteins. These protein molecules are globular in shape. Extrinsic protein is found on outer surface of membrane, whereas intrinsic protein are found embedded within lipid layers. Extrinsic is found in outer surface here and intrinsic in inner surface of protein layers. Example of this model is fluid mosaic model. This is the most accepted model of plasma membrane. Fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane was proposed by Singer and Nicholson, 1972. According to this model, protein always does not form a sandwich covering the surface of bilayer lipid as suggested by Robertson. Actually, there are two types of proteins, peripheral or extrinsic and integral or intrinsic. The intrinsic proteins are lightly held in place by strong hydrophilic or hydrophobic interactions. It is difficult to remove intrinsic proteins from the membrane, but the extrinsic proteins are superficial and can be removed easily. Some intrinsic proteins remain embedded in the lipid layer and partly projected out. Some of the proteins are enzymes which allow entry of some required substance inside the cell. Membrane of different cells are different in composition of protein and lipid. The membrane also undergo into various modifications to perform various physiological functions. This model also says the central bilipid layer is phospholipids having a spherical polar head projected outside and two non-polar tails group pointed inwards. It is water resistance barrier through which only lipid soluble substance can pass. According to these models, at the middle there is bilayer of fat phospholipids. Their hydrophobic ends are directed toward each other, but their hydrophilic ends are towards the protein layers. This model also suggests that the protein layers are like the icebergs floating on ocean or floating on the fat layers. According to this model, fatty layer is in fluid states. In protein layers, the intrinsic protein molecules are, some molecules are projected outside, giving the mosaic appearance to plasma membrane. So some protein molecules of intrinsic layers projected outwards, which act as carrier proteins for the entrance of molecules. Therefore, the structure of plasma membrane look like a mosaic. And fatty layer is in fluid states. Therefore, this model is called fluid mosaic model. It is believed that the larger intrinsic proteins which project out have channel by which water soluble substances can also pass. Cell membrane can be described as protein iceberg in sea of lipids. Protein extending from outside to inside are called tunnel proteins or transmembrane proteins. According to this model, the structure of membrane is not static because of the fluidity of lipid molecules and scattering of protein molecules like a mosaic according to its requirement. As earlier we have read, it is 75 angstrom thick, but its thickness can be changed according to need because the middle fatty layer is in fluid states which can be compressed. This model has been named as the fluid mosaic model. This model is mostly widely accepted model of plasma membrane as compared to unit membrane concept. This model also have the experimental supports. Experiments that support fluid Mosaic models. Fluid Mosaic model has been supported by electron microscopy. The peripheral proteins are seen as projected out parties on the plasma membrane, giving it a rough appearance. The fluidity of membrane has been demonstrated by a number of experiments. Two different types of cells were labeled, one with red and other with green fluorescent dyes. Then they were fused, somatic cell hybridizations. The fused cells were viewed immediately under the microscope. One half was green and the other half was red. After some time at 37 degrees centigrade, it was seen that the red and green dyes were thoroughly mixed. This could happen only if the liquid layer was fluid or middle layer was fluid or lipid layer was in fluid state, and the labeled proteins could move above in it. Further proof of fluidity of lipid membrane came from the fact that if fused cells kept immediately at 0 degrees centigrade, they failed to show the mixing of colors because liquids solidify at low temperatures and their fluidity was lost. The fluidity was restored as soon as the temperature was raised to body temperature of 37 degrees centigrade, allowing mixing of dyes. These experiments confirm the fluid nature of cell membrane. Next model is micellar model. This theory was proposed by Hellier and Hoffman in 1953. This theory illustrates that the plasma membrane consists of a number of globular subunits called micelles. These are arranged in the form of a layer in mosaic fashion. In a micelle, fatty acid molecules are completely enclosed by water. The hydrophilic ends of fatty acid molecules faces toward outside and their hydrophobic ends toward inside. A layer of protein is found on either side of micellar layer. The central space in a micelle is in the form of a pore. The dynamic plasma membrane is explained by micellar theory. The membrane and micellar structure of plasma membrane is interconvertible. The electron microscopic study has also proved the laminar and micellar structure of the plasma membrane. The biological function of plasma membrane. It forms a protective covering around the protoplasm and cell organelles. It maintains the identity of cell organelles. It helps in the absorption of molecules. It helps in the excretion or removal of waste product from the body. It helps in ionic exchange. It helps in cellular movement in some organisms, for example, amoeba. It provides shape to the cell and cell organelles. It regulates excretion and secretion. Modifications of plasma membrane. Modifications of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is sometimes associated with certain specialized structures in order to perform a specific function. Some of modifications of plasma membranes are microvilli. These are finger-like projections which are found on the outer surface of plasma membrane of animal cells, especially in intestinal epithelium and nephron. epithelium. These increase the surface area of absorption cells. Desmosomes. These are also known as macula adherens and appear as micro thread-like structures on the area of plasma membrane where adjacent cells come in contact with each other. Desmosomes are generally found on both sides of the membrane. Sometimes it is found in only one side. In this condition, it is known as hemidesmosomes. These help in adhesions. Interdigitation. It is also found between two adjacent cells. It consists of ridge and furrow on both the sides of membrane. Ridge of one cells are embedded into furrow of other adjacent cells. It helps in maintaining close connection between two cells. Tight junction. These are also known as zonula ovalescens. These are formed when plasma membrane of two adjacent cells are joined together in such a way that interstellar space is not left between them. Permeability of ion is maximum and the electrical obstacle is minimum at the place of tight junctions. Terminal bars. These are also known as zonula adherens. These lack microstructures but similar to desmosome in other characters.